Welcome to Surprise Yourself. Today, we're diving into the strange, the quirky, and the downright fascinating. Get ready to uncover 9 weird traditions around the world that sound unreal. From cheese rolling in England to brushing teeth at work in Brazil, the world is full of customs that may seem bizarre, but hold deep cultural significance. Coming up next, why cemeteries in Denmark aren't as spooky as you'd think, a fiery ritual in China, and the curious case of baking money into cakes in Bolivia. Let's explore what makes these traditions so wonderfully unique. Coal walking in China. Childbirth is a major milestone in every culture, but in China, it's accompanied by an array of fascinating customs. From avoiding gossip near the mother, to placing knives under the bed to protect the baby from spirits, traditions abound. But the most daring custom? A husband carrying his pregnant wife barefoot across burning hot coals before entering their home. This act is said to ensure an easier labor for the mother and symbolizes the husband's commitment. Who needs couples therapy when you've got hot coals, right? Famidihana in Madagascar. Ever heard of a second funeral? In Madagascar, the Malagasy people practice famidihana, also known as the turning of the bones. Every 7 years, families exhume their deceased loved ones, wrap them in fresh cloth, and, here's the wild part, dance with them. It's a heartfelt celebration of life and a way to honor the dead, ensuring they remain connected to the living. To outsiders, it might sound like a Halloween party gone way too far. But for the Malagasy, it's all about love, family, and keeping memories alive. Polterabend in Germany. In Germany, weddings kick off with a unique tradition called Polterabend. Guests break porcelain dishes and ceramics, but never glass, in a noisy show of well-wishing. The newlyweds then work together to clean up the shards, symbolizing teamwork and resilience, qualities essential for a strong marriage. It's messy, meaningful, and a perfect metaphor for life together. Spitting for good luck in Greece. While spitting is often seen as rude, in Greece it's a symbolic gesture of good luck. At weddings and baptisms, guests make spitting sounds to ward off evil spirits and bring blessings. Don't worry, they don't actually spit anymore. It's all about the sound. A modern twist on a centuries-old tradition. Baking money into food in Bolivia. Let's talk about sweet luck. In Bolivia, New Year's Eve is marked by baking coins into cakes and pastries. Find a coin in your slice, and it's said to bring good fortune for the coming year. It's a delicious way to start January with hope, and maybe a trip to the dentist. Cheese rolling in England. Over in England, the annual Cooper's Hill cheese roll is both a tradition and a test of bravery. Contestants chase an 8-pound wheel of cheese down a dangerously steep hill. The winner gets to take home the cheese, and probably some bruises. Thought to have pagan origins, this adrenaline-fueled event has captured global attention for its sheer absurdity and danger. No red ink in South Korea. In South Korea, the use of red ink carries a grave meaning. Writing someone's name in red symbolizes death, as historically, red ink was used to record the names of the deceased. It's considered deeply disrespectful, and possibly a bad omen, to use red ink for the living. Even something as small as pen color can reveal profound cultural values. So, if you're visiting South Korea, here's a pro tip. Keep to blue or black pens closer to you. Brushing teeth at work in Brazil. In Brazil, oral hygiene is serious business. Brushing your teeth after every meal, even at work, is completely normal. Many people carry toothbrushes and toothpaste wherever they go. Some restaurants even offer complimentary mouthwash. It's a reflection of the Brazilian emphasis on cleanliness and health, making visitors rethink their own dental habits. Cemeteries as gathering places in Denmark. In Denmark, cemeteries are more than just places of mourning. They're spaces for community and peace. With picturesque landscapes and welcoming atmospheres, families often gather to relax, picnic, or enjoy nature. It's a heartwarming perspective on life and death, blending reflection with celebration. From dancing with the dead in Madagascar to hill-chasing cheese in England, these traditions may seem strange to outsiders but are full of meaning for those who practice them. Which tradition shocked or inspired you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another dive into the incredible diversity of our world. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and celebrate the weirdness that makes us human.